You know, everything that you see, yes, we're shooting content, but everything that you see, it's kami talaga yun. Account ko muna. Merly, trust the process ngani. Trust the process ngani. Sinabi niya kasi for content lang naman. No, guys. You know, everything that you see, yes, we're shooting content, but everything that you see, it's kami talaga yun. The camera's just rolling and we're just being ourselves. Everything you see is 100% authentic on cam. It's not scripted. There is no script. Yes, there's shoot days, right? We have our schedule for shooting because of course we have to, schedule Lara. We have to schedule Kathy. Lara is mine and Kathy is hers. So, syempre we have to respect their schedules and kailangan namin i-schedule yung mga shooting days namin. But yung shooting day na yun, wala naman talagang plano. Okay, so they're just rolling, and whatever you see is talagang that's how we are. So thank you guys for all the support. Pinapadami nyo talaga yung views namin, and nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo na maraming salamat. And we're gonna try our best to keep this going so everybody's happy, everybody has good vibes. Nanligaw ka na ba kay I don't know. Let's not answer that right now because let's just wait. Let's wait for Tito Boy. Hindi ko naman siya nililigawan, but I'm a nice person. I'm just being nice. Some people might see that as something else, but I'm just trying to be nice and a gentleman. Siyempre yung mga ibang parts dun yung content, like hers, yung Q&A, diba? So may mga questions yun. But that part, si Jelay ang nagsulat ng question. So minsan nagagulat na lang si Chiki na yun pala yung question. And of course me, I'm answering it on the spot. So there's really nothing scripted about those parts. And the who's most likely, of course kilala namin isa't isa. And there's no reason for that to be scripted either. When we go eat, when we were at City of Dreams, when we were at El Nido, there's nothing scripted about that, guys. I mean, the camera's just rolling. So what you see is what you get. Ay, narinig ko yung Kung Malaya. Pinapatugtog niyo yung Kung Malaya. Bukas yung guest ng Katie Boy, yes. Pero, I think we're taping, so hindi namin alam kung kailan yung airing. Balitaan na lang namin kayo. Sa totoo lang, kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam yung mga tatanungin ng Tito Boy. nagla-light na. Meron pa siguro isa pang patong, no? After nito?
Tingnan natin sila. Magpantay na sila.
Okay. I think this is too high. Pwede pa bumaba pa ng konti.
Bakit? Ito sir.
Yan.
Ganyan.
Oo. Saan si Catherine? Sino ba si Catherine, guys? Who's Catherine? Hindi kami close ni Catherine Bernardo. Siguro po na-realize mo po as a dog mo kaya ayad mo yan, ma'am. Para ako may ponytail. Actually, gusto ko matry yung hairstyle na yun. Medyo mahaba si ponytail ko. Kaso the growing process, hindi ko na kaya. I get a haircut once a week. Kasi sa buhok na to, when it grows even a week, mukha na siyang madumi. So, kailangan lagi ika-cut para mukhang fresh lagi yung haircut. Floricel, hi ma'am, nandito ka rin pala. Magkakilala ba kayo dito? Yung mga nandito sa comment section? Answer within your heart. Ano ba yan? Tapos ang cute-cute ni Katie nung baby siya, dala-dala nyo, interview came na Chanko. Yeah, I remember that. Pages of my heart. Lagi ko nakikita niyo yung mga post nyo. Galing nyo mag-AI, ha? Pero yung mga ginagawa nyo para kay Katie, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Katie sa mga post nyo. Wala na kayong tatanungin? And live muna ako, may mga gagawin lang ako.